What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I have a Fashion Nova haul for you guys today. It's gonna be a spring haul. I got a lot of really pretty dresses, some more casual dresses, dresses for going out. I also got a couple tops and a little three-piece outfit that I think is adorable. You guys are definitely going to see a trend in this video. Am I obsessed with the color green right now? Yes, I am. Especially that more like lime green. I just love. As always, I will leave all of the items that I mentioned today linked below. I do not make any money off of it. It's just for you guys, ease of shopping. Also, I will have my height, my weight, and all of my measurements linked below as well, so you guys can kind of compare and decide what size to get. I think that is it. If you guys do want to follow me on Instagram, I will have that linked below. I have not posted on Instagram in a while. All of my social media has been really lacking, but I'm gonna work on it. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this haul. Okay, the first item is a dress, and it is so beautiful. It is this lime green, super bright dress, and I got this in a 3X. The only part of the dress that is elastic is the part that goes up here at your shoulder. The rest of it is not stretchy at all. And the thing I like about this is usually when you buy something this color, it is see-through, but it is double lined, so you will not have to worry about anything being see-through. I picked this up in a 3X and I am in love with this dress. The next dress I got is also a green one, but it's more of a forest green, and it is a maxi dress. The upper portion is super stretchy. It's made of that like elastic material. The straps are tie straps, so you can make them whatever length you want. And it's just a super long, really beautiful dress. This one is also double lined. I feel like with darker colors, you don't typically have to worry about it being see-through, but especially since it's double lined, like, you will be good. Anything that usually has this elastic top, I will size down. So I got this in a 2X and I thought the fit was perfect. Okay, we're gonna switch it up a bit and go with a top. And this is just a basic, but I love tops that are kind of split on the side and have this rounded edge. I don't know why, I just love it because I feel like my hips kind of pop through. It makes my waist look super small, and I just, not super small, but like smaller. You just look a little snatched. I picked this up in a 2X and I thought the fit was perfect, and it's just made of like a regular like stretchy cotton material. Okay, this next dress is a bodycon, and it's definitely a little louder than what I would typically wear, but I oddly love it. It is this striped dress. How pretty would this be for the summer? Like teals, like a lighter blue, cream, pink, and black stripes. I love the length of this dress, and then on one side it has a small slit. Sometimes the slits go like super high, and I don't know, it makes it for me a little bit unrealistic to wear, but this slit is very low, so it's perfect. And I picked this up in a 3X and I thought the fit was perfect. It is made of a very stretchy material. Okay, this next dress, you guys, I die. It is this really pretty like lime green, but it's like a deeper lime green. Bodycon, kind of slinky dress, very stretchy. I love the length of this dress. I love the look of this dress. Everything is just giving me all the vibes. I got this one in a 3X and I thought the fit was perfect. Then I got another dress similar to that deep green one I showed you with the elastic top. This one has thinner straps, also adjustable. You can tie them to whatever length you want. This one is in a really pretty brown color. I got it in a 2X as well, except this dress is a little bit shorter. It's not maxi. I really like this dress a lot, and I can definitely see myself wearing this in the summertime. I really like it. I love everything from the fit to the color. I think it's perfect. Another lime green slinky dress, except this one is long sleeve. This reminds me of the picture or the dress that I took to Utah to get pictures in. It was like a deep red color. So beautiful. I'll pop that picture in here so you guys can see. I love that dress like so much. This kind of reminds me of it with the one shoulder, the same material. Really beautiful. I got it in a 3X, and I love the ruching detailing on the side, especially because you can kind of ruche it up. You can pull it all the way out so it's a little bit of a longer length. I really like this one a lot. All right, you guys, the last green item I'm gonna show you is a 3-piece set. The first thing is it comes with this cute little cropped top. It's almost like a bra. Like it's adjustable. I didn't wear a bra with it in the try on, but I feel like my boobs were sagging a little bit because I didn't adjust the strap. But this is what the top looks like. And then it comes with these really pretty stretch flowy pants, wide leg. And then it also comes with a button up that you can use kind of like a jacket. Just all the little details on this are so pretty. I feel like with this one, I almost could have sized down. I picked this up in a 3X and I wish I would have gotten it in a 2X. All right, last couple of items. I got this pink and white tie-dye tank top. I feel like this is just super easy to throw on with some jean shorts in the summer. I kind of scrunched mine up a little bit to be more cropped, but it is like a full length tank. It is a little bit see-through. It reminds me of a top that you might wear like with a bathing suit underneath. And then, what size did I get that in? I got that in a 3X. And then I got this top in a 2X. And it is a crop top. A very thin material, like you can see the tag right through it. And this is a crop top that says emotionally exhausted, which could not be more accurate. Could not. But I love this yellow color. I love the top. Yeah, can't say enough good things. So that was everything for this Fashion Nova haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said before, don't forget to check out the description box for all of the things. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.